Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are going to revise and remember decimal numbers. Decimal numbers must have decimal point, and this decimal point separates between the whole numbers and the decimal numbers. We know that the place value of these whole numbers start from units, tens, hundreds, and so on. And the decimal numbers on the left start from tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. For example, this 7, its place value is tenths. Then I can write it as 7 over 10 or 0.7, 7 tenths. This 8, its place value is hundredths. Then we can write it as 8 over 100 in fractions or 0.08 in decimals, 8 hundredths. This 9, its place value is thousandths. Then we can write it as 9 over 1000 in fractions or in decimals 0.009, 9 thousandths. The place value for this 4 in whole numbers is just 4. The place value for this 3 tens, we will add 0. The place value for 1 is 100. Let's start to solve. This is our decimal point. We will cut this number from this decimal point. Then, on the right is the decimal number, and on the left is the whole number. This 6 in tenths and this 5 in units. Cut this number from this decimal point. On the left is the whole number and on the right is the decimal number. 6 is units. 47. 4 is tenth. 7 is hundredths. 27.98. 2 in tenths, 7 in units, and 9 in tenths, and 8 in hundredths. 456.2. 4 in hundreds, 5 in tenths, and 6 in units, and 2 in tenths. 123.8. 1 in hundreds, 2 in tenths, 3 in units, and 8 in tenths. 36.123. 3 in tenths, 6 in units, 101 in tenths, 22 in hundredths, 3 in thousandths. Write the decimal of the shaded part. This column consists of 10 parts, so I can say I have one shaded column and two shaded parts from 10. This one is the whole part and this fraction is the decimal part. Here the whole is 1, 2, 3. We know that the decimal number is a part of whole and this is a part of whole. We can write this decimal number in decimals or in fractions, but its denominator must be 1 and zeros. The decimal part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 10. The whole is 1, 2, 3. The decimal part is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 10. 3 over 10 is written as 0.3 and is read as 3 tenths. Can we complete? Let's start. 5 over 100 is written as, our hidden decimal point is here, and this hidden decimal point will jump according to the number of zeros. Here 1, 2. Then this hidden decimal point will jump just 2 times. 2 times 1, 2. Can I leave this place without zeros? No, I will put here 0. and this is the new decimal point. Then we will write it as 0.05. Is there a whole number? No. Then write here 0. Is read as 500th. Move from the right to the left according to the number of zeros. We have two zeros, 1, 2. Then I will jump 1, 2 times. This is the new decimal point. 0.75. Is there a whole number? No. Write 0. Is read as 75 hundredths according to the number of zeros. Just 1 0. Move from right to left. Just 1. This is the new decimal point. 0.8. Is there a whole number? Yes, 1. Write 1. Is read as 1 and 8 tenths according to the number of zeros. 1, 2. Move from right to left. 1, 2. This is the new decimal point. 0.36. Is there a whole number? Yes, 19. Write it, 19. Is read as 19 and 36 hundredths. Do you notice that we replace the decimal point by and according to the number of zeros? Just 1. Move from right to left. Is written as 0.9. The whole number is 3. 3 is read as 3 and 9 tenths. Is written as according to the number of zeros. Move from right to left. 1, 2, 3. I can't leave this place. Put 0. This is the new decimal point. 0.011. The whole number is 7. Is read as 7 and 11 thousandths. Write the following numbers using the decimal point. This decimal point we can replace this by and 351 hundredths. 300, 300, 51, 51. Underline hundredths, so I will move from right to left 2 times. 1, 2. The decimal point will be here. 569 thousandths. 569 thousandths. Underline thousandths, 3 zeros. According to the number of zeros, move from right to left. 1, 2, 3. The new decimal point will be here. And there's no whole number, then I will put 0. 4 and 7 tenths. I will replace and by the decimal point. This will be the decimal point. Let's start. 4 and point and point. 7 tenths. 7 in tenths. 6 and 42 hundredths. And will be point. 6.42. 42 hundredths. 20 and 3 hundredths. And will be decimal point. 20 and 3 hundredths. 3 hundredths. Hundreds has 2 zeros. And here I has just 1 digit. So I will put 0 here. Write 3 numbers between 5 and 6. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 12 and 13, 12.1, 12.2, 12.7 or 8 or 9 or any digit. 2.5 and 2.6. After 2.5, 2.6. Here I will add 2 zeros. 2.50. After 2.50, 2.51, 2.52, 2.53. Can you solve this? It's very easy. 13.8 and 13.9. After 13.8, 13.9. Oh, this is the two zeros rule. 0, 0. After 13.80, 13.81, 13.82, 13.83. Complete using an integer. Underline the whole number. The whole number is 0. The mouth of our fish is here. Then the greatest number or the greatest digit will be here. And the fish mouth not here. Then the smallest digit will be here. So we can write 0 here. 0 is smaller than 0.92. Add on this 0 1 comes 1 and 1 is greater than 0.92. So we can say 0.92 is greater than 0 and smaller than 1. Underline the whole number. Write the whole number in the smallest term. Add on this digit 1 becomes 1. Underline the whole number. Put this whole number in the smallest term. Add on this digit 1 becomes 5. Underline the whole number. Write it in the smallest term. 12. Add on this 1 becomes 13. Underline the whole number. Can you answer? Write it. Yes, here 251. After that what? Add on this number 1. 252. Underline the whole number 1. Write it here. Add on this number 1. 1 plus 1 equal to. Complete as in the example. 0.4 plus 0.6 equal 1. Here he wants to make 10 to obtain one whole number. 1 as a whole number. So I will search on any digits will give me 10. 0.3 and 0.7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Then the result will be 1. 0.1 plus what equal 1. We want something will give me 10. 1 plus 9 equal 10. But don't forget to put the decimal point. 0.25 plus 0.75. 25 piasters. 25 pounds plus 75 pounds equal 100 pounds. It gives me the whole number. 0.24 plus what equal 1. I want to obtain 100. Then let's start. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus what equal 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. And then put the decimal point. Here I have 2 digits and here I also have 2 digits. Complete as in the example. 43.75 equal 40 plus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.05. The expanded form. Okay, let's start. 30 plus 1 plus 0.8. 45.123. 40 plus 5 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3. He wants the compact form. Okay, let's start. 500. 500. 40. 40. 2. 2 plus 0.3. 0.3. 0.08. 8. Write the value of the digit 4 in each of the following. To write the value for this 4, I can write this 4 and replace all digits by zeros. Put the decimal point as it is and put 0. Cancel what on the right? Why? Because 40 equal, why? Because 0.04 equals 0.040. Two answers are right. Put 4 and you can replace all the digits by 0, 0, 0, 0. Just 4. The value for this 4. Write 4 and replace all the digits by zeros. Or we can say just 0.4. Stop the video now and try to solve this and this. Okay, we came back. Let's start solve. 4 and replace all the digits by zeros will equal just 40. I will write 4 and replace all the digits by zeros. But I will not cancel these zeros because I just cancel on the right in decimals. Put the suitable sign less than, equal, or greater than. I will solve this column and you will solve this column. Okay, let's start. At first, I will cut from the decimal point. I will cut from the decimal point. Look on the whole number, 9 or 4. 9 is greater than, greater than. Again, I will cut from the decimal point. I will cut from the decimal point. Look on the whole number, 10 or 8. 10 is greater. Cut from the decimal point. Cut from the decimal point. 45 and 45, they are equal. Then I will look on the first digit from the right, 4. And the first digit from the right, 5. Who's the greater, 4 or 5? 5. I will cut from the decimal point. I will cut from the decimal point. 78, 79. Who is the greater? 79. Cut from the decimal point. Cut from the decimal point. 56, 65. Who is the greater? 65. Half equal 0.5. Cut from the decimal point. Cut from the decimal point. 0 and 0. Then I will look on the first digit on the right. 5. And here 4. Who is the greater? 5 or 4? 5. Circle the numbers that are equal. Let's look on the whole numbers. 18, 18, 18, 18, 1. This is a different number, then I will cancel this. Okay, let's look on the right. 0.4, 0, 4, 4, 0, 0, 4, 4, 4. No, 0, 4 from here and 0, 4 from here. Look on the whole number. 0, 10, 0, 0, 0. The different number here is 10.1. Look on the right. 1, 0. 0, 1. No. 0, 0, 1. No. 1. I can add here 0. It becomes 1, 0. And here 1, 0. Then I will choose these two numbers. Here he wants from me to divide. According to the number of zeros, move from right to left. Here just 1 0. I will move here just 1 time. The new decimal point will be here. Then I will write 1.5. Here 78 divided by 10. According to the number of zeros, 1. I will move from right to left. The new decimal point will be here. 7.8. 1, 2. So I will move 1, 2. The new decimal point will be here. 0.45. 1, 2. I will move 1, 2. The new decimal point will be here. 0.78. 1, 2. 1, 2. The new decimal point will be here. 1.25. 1, 2. 1, 2. The new decimal point will be here. 3.47. Just 1 0. 1. The new decimal point will be here. 0.5 or half. 6 divided by 10. 1 0. 1. 0.6. Solve this homework.